Kuyag as their co-leader. Today, August 16, 2024, the BCO of Ormoc is now open to serve everyone all over the world. Mabuhay! Once again, BCO Ormoc is now officially open. Okay. So we are inviting everyone to please get inside. And if you can buy sa gusto lang kapo na to copy or product, please buy. Okay? Okay, let's all get inside. Everyone is welcome.
Sige, saka sa dito.